I'm Peter Kalmstrom of kalmstrom.com Business Solutions. In this demonstration, I'll talk to you about PDF Creator and how it can be used and what it can do for you when it's hosted on a SharePoint on-premises site and the server, of course. This is running on SPSE now, the subscription edition of SharePoint on-premises, and that one has both the classic experience and the modern experience. So here you can see that the PDF button is available. So if I print the PDF here, it does create a PDF based on all items in that list. If I select a single one, same thing happens, that it creates a PDF based on that single item. However, if I select two of them, it cannot handle that. It cannot handle a multi-select because SharePoint really doesn't give me that API because there's no code running behind the modern experience. So those are the options you have for modern experience. If you want to print just two of them, then just move over to the classic experience and print again. And there you go. That's selecting two of them and printing those to a PDF. Another feature that a PDF Creator has is that it does read all kinds of columns. So if I have a more complex list, then it does print that also with all the different columns in that list. And most of the regular formats, including rich text, are supported. But in general, let's see here, the same thing goes here, of course, in the modern experience. It does print that also, one single item, or if you don't select a single item, then it does print all of the items in the list. And as you see, that takes a few seconds. And here it says 214 pages long, all of these. Another feature that you have is, of course, to download the PDFs and to save them to a library. And that's especially useful if you have multiple libraries. So I'm just going to go in Site Contents here and create a new document library, PDFs. Now you'll notice that if I refresh one of those here, you'll see I get a drop down there selecting which document library that I want to save it in. So if I want to save this PDF to that library, it gets created there. So there in PDFs, there we have that print out there. So that's the features of this version 1 of PDF Creator for SharePoint on-premises. On SharePoint Online, it has also the ability to convert documents into PDF files, but that feature is not available on-premises. So this is version 1, so if you want more features in this application, then do please contact me, give me some feedback on this video, or send me an email. Thank you for watching this demonstration.